Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I want to talk to you about something refreshing, healing and perfect for this summer season, especially if you have psoriasis. Hot weather can often exacerbate psoriasis symptoms leading to increased itching, inflammation and flare-ups. But what if I told you that simply choosing the right drinks could help you cool your body from the inside and keep your skin calm, hydrated and balanced? Yes, certain summer drinks, when chosen wisely, can support your body's natural detox process, reduces your inflammation, and even improve your skin's ability to recover. So let us dive into it. First, let us understand why your choice of beverages matters. In both modern medicine and Ayurveda, inflammation plays a key role in development of the psoriasis. During the summer, heat and dehydration can further exacerbate what Ayurveda calls pitta dosha, which is linked to fire and heat in the body. When pitta is imbalanced, it can manifest as skin issues such as redness, burning sensation and scaling. So the idea is simple: cool down, hydrate and nourish your skin. And now I'll share easy, healthy and globally accessible drinks that are not only delicious but also psoriasis friendly. Number 1 is cucumber mint cooler. You can blend fresh cucumber slices with a few mint leaves and water to make a refreshing drink. Sip it whenever you feel thirsty or dehydrated. Cucumber is rich in silica and antioxidants which help keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Mint naturally cools the body and supports digestion, both of which are essential for managing your psoriasis. Number 2 is coconut water with aloe vera. A classic tropical combo: mix fresh coconut water with a teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel, and this refreshing drink hydrates the body, replenishes your electrolytes and support your skin healing. Coconut water keeps you cool and hydrated, while aloe vera gel's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin and promote repair, making it an ideal choice for psoriasis in summer. Number 3 is barley water. Soak and boil barley grains and then strain and chill the water. Add a pinch of rock salt for taste, and barley water is naturally cooling and detoxifying, helping flush out toxins from the body. It also reduces internal inflammation, making it a soothing and supportive drink for managing your psoriasis in summers. Number 4 is hibiscus iced tea. Steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water, let them cool and serve over ice with a drop of honey. This vibrant drink is rich in antioxidant, help regulate body temperature and support your liver function, an organ closely linked to the skin health. It is a refreshing way to cool down while promoting healing from within, especially beneficial for psoriasis care. Number 5 is pomegranate and basil juice. Blend pomegranate seeds with a few basil leaf and water, then strain and chill for a refreshing, skin-friendly drink. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols and vitamin C, which supports immune health and promote skin regeneration, both essential for managing psoriasis. Basil offers antibacterial and detoxifying benefits, aiding in the purification of the blood and reduction of inflammation. Together, this flavorful combination not only cools the body during summer but also supports overall skin wellness from within, making it an ideal daily drink. Number 6 is turmeric drink. Combine a pinch of turmeric, water and a dash of black pepper, stir well and serve chill for a powerful refreshing drink. Turmeric acts as a natural anti-inflammatory and immune booster, while black pepper enhances its absorption. This combination supports detoxification, reduces internal heat, and may help minimize the frequency and intensity of psoriasis flare-ups, making it a smart addition to your summer routines. Number 7 is watermelon basil infused water. Add cubes of fresh watermelon and a few basil leaves to a jug of water. Let it infuse for 2 to 3 hours and serve chill for a naturally flavored, cooling drink. Watermelon provides hydration and is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that support your skin health, and basil helps cleanse the liver, reduces your internal heat, both important for calming inflammation and managing skin conditions like psoriasis effectively during this hot summer months. And number 8 is fennel and rose water drink. Boil fennel seeds in water and then strain and let them cool. Add a few drops of natural rose water, and this gently aromatic drink helps calms digestion and balances the pitta dosh, which is often aggravated in individuals with psoriasis. Fennel has natural cooling and detoxifying properties, while rose water is soothing and anti-inflammatory. Together, they support skin health and reduces your summer flare-ups. So have you tried any of these refreshing drinks before, or do you have your own go-to summer remedy that helps soothe your psoriasis symptom? Then do share your experiences in the comment below. I genuinely love reading your stories. Your tip might just be the solution someone else has been searching for. Now, to wrap up, if you're living with psoriasis, especially in hot, humid weather, what you drink matters, and hydration isn't it just about quenching thirst. It's about cooling your system, nourishing your skin from within, and supporting your body's healing journey. Say no to sugary sodas and excess caffeine, say yes to natural, fresh, and healing ingredients, and stay consistent and listen to your body's signals. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformation, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit, because healing is even more powerful when shared. So that is all for today's video. And if you're looking for a personalized Ayurvedic treatment plan for your psoriasis, you can call us directly at the number mentioned in the video. Until next time, stay cool, stay healthy, and keep healing naturally. Thank you so much for watching.